to another episode of Days Out Worldwide. Where are we, Luce?
We're just left Hollywood Studios and we're on the Skyliner and we're gonna make our way to Epcot.
Oh, it's a hot one today. I am melting.
It is hot today.
We'll see you in a bit. So we've just got through security and we're going to head over to the France Pavilion.
Yep.
Going to go try the new Ratatouille Remy's ride. Do you know what it's called? Or?
I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called, Remy's Ratatouille. Just stopped off and got some drinks because I think it's going to be about an hour's queue to before we actually know to go on the ride. We'll bring you along with us. I think it is 3D, so I don't think he's going to come out too good, but I'll give you a general idea. Oh, it is hot. I've even got boob sweat. And like by magic, we're in France. And there's the Eiffel Tower. See if we can get a bit better shot.
Hello, Remy. Can you get a picture of that? Where'd he go?
Oh, I did. The skyline is pretty good. Even in the heat, it's got windows. It does cool you down quite good.
It was a lot cooler than the first time we did it.
Yeah, it does. See if we can see the Eiffel Tower again. It is the real one in France. Just using a bit of Disney magic.
There we go.
Standby line for Remy's Ratatouille adventure, 110 minutes. I'm glad we got some pub.
And the time is 17 minutes past 1.
17 minutes past 1.
Amazing.
Yeah, it was really good, really enjoyed that.
Yeah, very, very good. I like the simulation where it drops down and you go into the oven, it's really hot. And then the wait time, so getting into the queue line and then doing the ride and come back out was a total of 46 minutes, so a lot better than the 110 minutes.
Yeah, that's a lot better, definitely worth the wait as well. Really enjoyed that. I don't know how much you got to see on it with the camera, because it was 3D. But let's have a little walk around.
So it's just 30 years, imagine if we do it in Paris, that's like
And with a little bit more of Disney magic, we're now in Nova. It's a hot one today, so we're going to try and get up to Frozen Ever After, where it's inside, cool down a little bit. Can you see how long the wait is, Luce?
75 minutes.
75 minutes.
And what's the time now?
We'll have a look what time is and we'll see how much it actually is.
2:45.
2:45. So spin your hand so you can have a look. Yeah, I'm afraid that queue wasn't moving. We'd been same spot for what, 10 minutes or so, Luce?
Yeah, 10:15 at least.
Yeah, too long to wait without a drink.
Especially if it ain't moving.
Yeah.
And you're outside in the sun.
So we're gonna go and have a look. What about them 3 little ducks in Mexico? What's that ride? Is it the 3 Caballeros or something like that?
You think it's well, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go there.
We'll go check it out. It's inside. Hopefully got a little bit of aircon and we can grab a drink, because even my back is sweating today. It is hot.
And my back is hurting.
Yeah.
Oh, they've got frozen drinks here.
Oh, frozen drinks. Let's go and grab one. Oh, this is lovely. Get a little bit of a break from the sun. Come inside the Mexican pavilion. See the 3 little ducks ride. And come and have a look at some of the stuff they got here. I love this place. Such a nice chilled ride that one is.
Yeah.
In the air condition as well. Have 10-15 minutes out the sun, cool down a little bit, can't beat it. Now we'll have to go and find a drink now, ain't we, Luce?
Yeah. So cold.
Something cold. Probably even go to Club Cool and go Taste of Beverly. I know how much everyone loves that one. Let's see what they got, yeah. And look at that, there's the 3 little ducks. Which one we trying first, Luce?
I'm going this one first. Sprite.
Sprite.
It's from Russia. I don't know if we can do it.
Yeah, that Sprite's not too bad. It's drinkable, isn't it?
I don't know.
Sprite cucumber. Right, let's try China. Okay, that'll do. Whoa, whoa,
sorry.
whoa, whoa.
Sorry, look, I don't know what happened then.
No.
Sorry.
Right, so this is China.
Smart sour plum.
Oh no.
No.
No, definitely not. I think that's worse than Beverly.
No,
It tastes like
royal.
something's burning in my mouth.
Yeah.
Right, okay, Philippines.
So this is royal watermelon.
Yeah, that's quite nice. I like that.
Yeah, I'd have that.
Yeah, that's probably my favourite one so far.
I like that.
Right, so try Korea.
Minute Maid apple lychee.
Okay.
So I think this is like a squash. This says no fizz.
No, I'm not keen on that one.
No, I don't like that. Okay, so they haven't got the country club meringue, whatever that is, Madagascar.
Just a little bit, those. Okay, thanks.
It's quite fizzy. This.
It's not too bad.
That was alright.
Yeah, it's alright. Right, let's go to that famous Beverly.
Beverly.
Right, whoa.
Bear in mind, we've had that one from China.
Nah, I think Beverly's still the worst for me. Can I have a bit of that one loose just to
I think I might have to as well.
take the taste away from that Beverly? That's got to be the worst one, followed by the one from China. So we just come off Living with the Land. If you've not seen our vlog yet, you can see our live POV. Drop the links in the description. 20 minutes now for Soarin, so why not?
Hello, welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
A little break from the sun, went into the land, went on Living with the Land and Soarin. We'll drop a few links in the descriptions so you can see some live POVs. Just heading back now to World Showcase.
And you did Awesome Planet.
Oh, Awesome Planet, that was pretty good as well.
Not a lot of people do that.
Yeah, it's worth checking out. It's even if it's 10 minutes to rest your feet in a bit of aircon, it's worth checking out. Going to head back over to Skyline and go around World Showcase. See you in a minute. So we kind of forgot to end the vlog last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
We kind of forgot to end the vlog. We kind of forgot to end the vlog. So we kind of forgot to end the vlog last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
So I can't even remember where we actually left off. Was we heading to the Skyline?
Yeah,
Anyway,
I think we were, yeah.
we caught the shuttle bus back to the hotel and stopped off at Friendly's for a quick takeaway. And then back. We're going to go check out International Drive today and we're going to go do some gator golf, so join us in the next episode for some gator golf. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Boom. What's he eating?
What does he eat?
Yeah.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
What is that one you're making?
This one's the Jedi Mind Trick. It's gonna be kind of like a grapefruit cosby.
Okay.
Oh, it is hot. I've even got boob sweat.
Out of my way!
Sprite cucumber. Right, let's try China. Okay, that'll do. Whoa, whoa,
sorry.
whoa, whoa.
Sorry, look, I don't know what happened then.
No, no.
Sorry.
Right, so this is China.
Smart sour plum.
Oh no.
No.
No, definitely not. I think that's worse than Beverly. It tastes like something's burning in my mouth.
Yeah.
Here we are at the Magic Kingdom, joined by Tammy and Chris from Theme Park Vets.
Hello.
If you've not seen their channel yet, we'll drop a link in the description below. Definitely worth checking out their channel. Yeah, I don't know, I've ended back up on this one from the last time, but I'm here for the second time. Hope I don't get too wet.